Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my woodshed this morning. I don't have coffee. It's a working morning out here. I'm filling up the wood box on the porch. I can put, I put a pile there 4 feet by 4 feet on the side of the porch, and that's enough to do me for most of a week. But it was 5 below zero this morning. Winter has finally arrived here at the cabin. I'm going to show you a little bit about splitting firewood. There's probably 1,000 videos out there on splitting firewood. But you know, like with any YouTube channel, I think my way is the best way. Well, I won't say that. I just have picked up a couple of tricks over the years, splitting firewood. Work smarter, not harder type deal. So there's a way that I hold my splitting maul. I'll go and show you that. And I'll also show you, like on a stick of wood, there's a way to make the stick of wood work for you. Easy to split wood when you look at a stick of firewood. What you want to do, this one is a little difficult to figure out. This one will be easier. You want to make sure that you are splitting from the top down, and how I do that is if you're on the base of a tree, then it's fatter than the top. But you look at these knots, and if they're pointing up, then this is the top, this is the bottom. And what you're looking for when you split wood, see it's already got a little bit of a crack there? That's what you want. If you look at this one, it's the same way. Like I said, there's no really knots on this one. They go straight out. I think this is the top here. But anyway, I'm going to show you on here because it's more. See right here, see this crack? That's the weak link in this log. So it would split probably either direction. Over here, there it is again. And when you hit this is what's called a splitting maul. When you split wood, you don't come down straight, because you're losing a lot of your splitting of power. When you swing and you hit, you don't want a lot of an angle, but a little bit of an angle when you actually split. And what that's going to do is that's going to force this side away, and this splitting maul is going to just drive right down through. It'll split this way, straight down, but it's a whole lot easier if you give it just a little bit of an angle when you split. And don't aim for the center. You want to aim for right here. If you aim over here, what will happen is the wood will split, but your handle will hit the block of wood. And that's how you break a maul handle or an axe handle or anything. So you want to hit for this area right here. This has got too much to still split. So by hitting right here and this crack, you have got the weak link to making that log fall wide open. Just like that. And then from here, same deal. I always look for the crack because it's a whole lot easier to split it. There's our crack. I didn't swing hard. I didn't want to send it sailing across the yard. But you always look for that crack. And that is how you split firewood. Now this right here is the stump one. See? I cut the tree down. These ones split the hardest. For whatever reason. But the same deal. Look for the crack that's in there. And then try it. What you want to stay away from is trying to cross split a knot. Splitting knots in softwood is really tough to do. See? But it'll go. Told you. For whatever reason, that stump cut is really tough to split. Well, I guess I'll keep that one whole. Angle this just a little bit and hit it right there. And don't look at this. Don't watch this as it's coming down. And your hands, just look right at that spot and your body will do the rest. If you look at that spot, your body will automatically make sure that head hits there.